What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a UK inspired dancehall or afro swing beat. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create the typical UK vibe when creating those beats, adding some really simple but really awesome drums, and then just show you how you can create a really simple arrangement. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. So first I'm going to set the tempo to 118, and then I will start off with the typical marimba. And I'm going to use purity for this one. So I'm going to use this marimba preset, this one. And I'm just going to start off with the root notes. Something like this. And then just half a semitone up like this. Something like this. So we're going to follow this rhythm. Just copy this one to, I think it's C sharp. That's really awesome. Just going to adjust the length of these notes. Maybe just turn these ones up like this. That's really awesome, so I'm going to copy this one, and I think just remove this note. So right now I'm going to use the strumizer, and you can also play around with the velocity like this. So just by adjusting this one. So I've played around with the velocity, and right now it sounds like this. Which is really awesome, but right now I'm going to add another layer. So I'm using Heat Up 3. So I think I'm going to layer my melody with this synth. So I've just copied the melody and just removed some notes right here. I think those two go really well together. And I think I'm going to add some keys to this one. So I'm using the Whirly 2. And I think I'm going to just go with the default preset. So turn this one down. Just a really simple one. So I'll just copy the notes from my marimba melody. This goes really well together. So right now we have some mid frequencies and high frequencies. And right now I can start to add some drums. So I'm adding this really basic 808 clap, which is used in a lot of these beats. And I'm just going to follow our chord progression. And I'm just going to follow my chord progression. And I'm also going to use this really simple open head. Just turn on the volume a little bit. Also just a really basic pattern. And right now we could add some head rolls. So I'm using this really basic head. Make sure when adding the heads to play around the velocity to add some more bounce to the beat. And just duplicate the pattern. And right now we could add our kick. So this is the kick sample which I'm going to use. And still I'm going to keep it really simple. Turn down the volume of this one to add some bounce to the kick pattern. And right now I'm going to add the 808. So I'm using this 808 sample. But first I'm going to create an envelope like this. And right now I'm just going to follow the root notes from a melody. So like this. And just turn up the melody 1 octave. Something like this. Just duplicate it. So I'm going to link all these elements to the mixer. And then just cut out some of the frequencies from the 808. So it's way more in the background. So I've added a note right here. And that's basically it. So just really simple. And right now I'm gonna create an arrangement. And I've created just a really simple arrangement. So first just the melody and then the chord progression and the drums. So I've added some reverb to the kalimba. Cut out the low frequencies. And that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to check out my Afrobeat sample pack. The link is in the description. It includes all the samples which I've used in this video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see in one of my next videos, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.